It's Hey UB, and this next episode going up on YouTube. I'm just going to inform you on this next episode here that the the main thing is how I sound. I'm not out to I'm not out to destroy anything, not out to kill anything, and I didn't. I, I, I didn't do anything to. I didn't do anything to. I didn't do anything to those birds. Yeah, I did nothing to those birds that are on the next episode. It's you need to just concentrate on how I sounded. Okay, so because this already went up on Facebook, and well, anyway, just to let you know. Okay, the main thing here is how I sound. No harm was done to any birds. No, birds were not harmed. Birds were not harmed in this episode. Just listen to my voice and how it is. Okay.